3-word daily. Emanate means to produce or show something. Synonyms are stem, exude, arise, radiate. Antonyms are stagnate, recessity, dwindle, abate. Example is, the warmth seemed to emanate from the cozy fireplace. Means warmth is coming from or produced from the fireplace. Apprised means to inform or tell someone. Synonyms are acquainted, briefed, enlightened, notified. Antonyms are oblivious, deceived, misled, uninformed. Example is, the team leader apprised the members of the urgent change in the project deadline. Means he informed them. Gauge means to measure or estimate accurately. Synonyms are adjudge, reckon, quantify, ascertain. Antonyms are misconstrue, distort, overlook. Example is, it was difficult to gauge her reaction based on her silence. Means difficult to estimate her reaction accurately. Subscribe to the channel.